It's time. Let's go. Introducing the all-new smartphone from Redmi, the savage, the supreme, the stunning Redmi Note 10S. Now, let's dive deeper into its power-packed features, starting with the design. The fabulous design is all thanks to our evolved design philosophy, inspired by love. Let's take you through the latest color palette for the season. The mesmerizing deep sea blue for the ones who love to explore. The frost white for the minimalists out there. And the stealthy shadow black for the classy bunch. The phone comes with a quad camera setup which enables you to explore a wide variety of photography opportunities, making this a brilliant choice. Yes, it comes with a 64 megapixel primary sensor in the rear camera. It also comes with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera. There's the 2 megapixel macro lens with a 2x zoom. It also comes with a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The Redmi Note 10S comes with Pro time-lapse mode. The skyscaping mode is perfect for capturing skylines. The Redmi Note 10S has Pro Color, which enhances the vibrancy of a picture. The color focus feature exclusively lets you focus on the colors that you love in a particular image. The night mode now gives you better night shots with more exposure. Now, for all you selfie lovers, the Redmi Note 10S comes with a 13 megapixel front camera. Here's the 3.5mm in-display punch hole for the selfie camera. Now let's move on to the Redmi Note 10S display capabilities, shall we? The Redmi Note 10S has a 16.33 centimeters, which is a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display that makes for an immersive content viewing experience. The display comes with 1100 nits of peak brightness, which keeps your phone highly visible even on bright sunny days, and is also SGS certified for low blue light. The 360-degree ambient light sensor perfectly adjusts the brightness to adapt to your surroundings. The Redmi Note 10S also has 100% DCI-P3 support. A contrast ratio of 4.5 million:1 creates a phenomenal spectrum of black and white with the dynamic range that will help soothe your eyes. The Redmi Note 10S comes with a 180 Hz touch sampling rate, which reduces input lag to give you pinpoint accuracy while gaming. And what makes it even more amazing is the immersive audio hardware. These are auto cleaning speakers that expel dust to ensure that your speaker mesh is always clean. We have integrated the MediaTek Helio G95 chipset with Hyper Engine game technology. The CPU has ARM Cortex-A55 and the ARM Cortex-A76, which is clocked at 2.05 GHz, paired with the Mali G76 GPU clocked at 900 MHz to give you a powerful performance. It also has 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. It also has up to 128 GB of UFS 2.2 internal storage. The Redmi Note 10S is the first device in India to have MIUI 12.5 out of the box. It comes with a 5000 mAh high capacity battery. It comes with a 33 watt fast charger in the box that lets you get to 54% of charge in just 30 minutes and full 100% charge in 78 minutes. One of the things that you shouldn't be worrying about is getting the phone's screen scratched, because it comes with Corning's Gorilla Glass protection. It also comes with Widevine L1 certification. The Z-axis vibration motor allows you to truly feel each and every tab. The multi-layered graphite sheet that allows for heat dissipation. We have opted to retain the 3.5 mm audio jack. The built-in IR blaster lets you control a range of home appliances with just a few taps on your Redmi Note 10s. Now that you've witnessed the Redmi Note 10s and how it completely outclasses its competitors, be ready to grab it for its savage performance, stunning camera, and a savage price too. The Redmi Note 10s will be available in two variants. The 6GB 64GB variant for only 14,999 and the 6GB 128GB variant for only 15,999.